What are the factors to consider in planning meals for the family? Why is it important to have a good food budget? Hi, welcome. This is Teacher Jean for EED 307, Teaching EPP. Today we will be learning on planning food for the family. The goal in planning food for the family is to be able to know what, when, and how to prepare and serve food that is nutritious, palatable, attractive, pleasing, and economical. To do this, careful planning must be done considering the factors. Nutrients we get from food. Plan meals that are nutritious. These refer to food that are rich in proteins, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, and fats that give the body the energy for work and play, build resistance to infection and diseases, and enable the body to grow at its limit. Size, age, and activities of the family. Families are either big, regular, or small. The number of people who will eat must be considered. Avoid preparing food that is either insufficient or more than the family can consume. Prepare food that is enough for the family member. Consider the activities that they do. Note also the age of the family members. Growing children need more proteins while males need more calories than females. Budget for food. The expenses of the family for food must be based on the income of the parents or the combined earnings of parents and their children. Whether the food budget is big or small, careful and wise planning is important. There are food that we can buy which are cheap but nutritious. Food that the family likes and love. There are particular food that children and adults like. It is important to serve dishes that will be enjoyed and consumed by the family. Prepare nutritious dishes that the family will like. Preparing food that is not well appreciated by the family is considered a wastage because the family may not eat much of it. The time spent in preparing. Plan meals that are easy to prepare. Conserve energy and time in preparing food. It is advisable to prepare a one-dish meal with complete ingredients which can provide the body with all the needed nutrients. If the meal would require long hours of cooking, prepare all the needed ingredients early. And that is all for now. This has been Teacher Jean saying, one cannot think well, love well, sleep well, if one has not dined well.